Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by creating the analytics property and data stream so you can collect site data immediately. Sign into your Google account, open Analytics, and create a property for the website. Choose Web and fill basic info. Once done, create a data stream and copy the measurement ID that begins with G. Make sure to note the property ID too. These identifiers are what connect your site to analytics, so keep them handy for the next step when you add tracking code. Now add the tracking code to your site so data flows into analytics. Paste the G tag. JS snippet with your measurement ID into the head of every page. If you use a CMS, use its header script field or a plugin. Alternatively, set up Google Tag Manager. Create a container, add a GA4 tag with your measurement ID, and publish. After implementation, open Analytics real-time reports and your site in a private window to confirm events appear. Check the browser console for tag errors. Finish by configuring measurements and validating accuracy so your reports are meaningful. Define conversions by marking important events, link Search Console and ads for richer data, and create audiences or filters to exclude internal traffic. Test custom events with Debug View and use the real-time report to confirm conversions fire. If data is missing, check Debug View, verify the measurement ID, inspect network requests for collect calls, and clear caches. One key troubleshooting tip: use the browser console and network panel to confirm the tag sends requests to Google.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.